Hey everybody, guess what's arrived in the package this morning? It's this all new chromed out grille for the Skoda Superb, and I cannot wait to swap it for this matted out, dated looking one. So let's get to it. So with the hood popped up, we're all set to open up the old grille, and we're going to be doing that with the help of this little prying tool out here. You're going to need this because these clips in here are really delicate, so you got to be really careful. What we see out here is 6 clips that we need to pop open. There are totally 8 on top. But what we're going to be popping open is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now that the 6 clips have been opened, the next bit is a little bit tricky. We're going to bend this part a little bit this way so it separates itself from the grill, because we're going to have to tug the grill out in order to remove it. And just for that, the Superb is now without a grill. So now with the new grill in my hand, we're going to be putting in these holders into its sockets. Look at this thing! Woo! The new grill is in. The clips to remove were a little bit nasty. Other than that, you can see she's totally revamped. The chrome slits now that sit on the grill really give it a more posh and upmarket look.